Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Pineapple, and today we are doing another Roblox video. So today we are playing Murder Mystery, and as you can tell, I am now teal, or light, however you pronounce it. So, we are having a vlog soon about our new vlog, area. I have a new vlog area. I'm building like a thingy in my backyard just so I can have like a private place to do my vlogs. Because I don't want like in the middle of a vlog, no, I don't want my mom just like walk in. Hey, honey, can you go to the laundry? Can you go take the dog out? No. So, so we have a new background that I have just made, and that hold on, what's that? Ooh, I'm gonna trade this guy and give him my dog. If nope, he has his things like. Okay, I'm gonna trade that guy. I'm gonna give him my dog because I'm nice. Innocent. I'm sad. Innocent. There's like the weirdest music going on. It's like, it sounds like a dog. It's like, not a dog, a goat. Okay. It's like a baby crying at the same time. It's so loud here. Goodness. It's so loud. Kill the guy with the radio, please. Was it this guy? Oof. Okay, that was fun. So leave a comment down below if for like next time I play Murder Mystery, I should do it hardcore mode, or if you wanted me to do it like yeah. So who killed the murderer? Oh, this guy. I kind of want to trade him. Like, I kind of want his gun. I mean, I won't give him my seer, but like. He's really giving you seer. My face is right now is literally the face on my Roblox character. Oops. I mean, that's literally me right now. I'm like, really? Really? I want to exit this. I really want a good gun. Can I have gun? I want a good gun. Oh, guys, let me show you a secret place that nobody knows about. Hold on, if I can fit. Hold on, let me see if I have enough. I do not have enough. I'm trying to get the radioactive. Ghostify. Nice. Yeah, I really want radioactive. Like, I want to turn them into, like, green. I want to turn them green. Green. Darn it. What? My percent is 21%. Oh, I'm not going to men's. I'm going to women's because I'm a woman. Yeah. So, hello? Hello, wait, what's your face? Oh yeah, it's that face. I knew it was that face. I knew it. I just knew it. I knew it. You know what? I wasn't even done collecting my coins. How could you? Guys, I will be right back to you guys. I'm back. Just had to ask a quick question. So, it didn't take very long because I paused it. So you guys are like, what? So yeah, it's gonna be fun. Oh, yes, 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 yes. I'm just gonna like stand in front of people like hello, and then I'm gonna kill them. Hey guys, what's up, girl? What's up? Hey Google, stop. Hey Google, stop. Hey Google. Okay, 1 second. One second, and the murder. Okay, 1 second. Okay, this is so fun. This is so fun. Oh, darn it. Dang. Oops. Dang. Oh, is that guy? I killed him? Well, I'm gonna trade this guy and then my dog. Is Calamity. Yeah. Oh, okay, so guys, that's all the time I have for today, guys. See ya.